In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to show 18 plus content on Telegram. To turn on this option, we are not going to use the Telegram application. You want to head to any browser of your own choice. On Safari, head to web.telegram.org. Don't worry, I'll leave the site link in this video description. Now make sure to log in your Telegram. I already logged into my account. It's very easy. You just need to enter in your phone number and also the verification code sent to your Telegram app. Now I assume you are on your home page just like so. Here, tap onto these 3 lines at your upper left and head to Settings. You will then navigate to the option of Privacy and Security. On this page, scroll down to the section of Sensitive Content. On Disable Filtering, make sure to mark this box. You will then refresh the tab and once done, head to your Telegram application. You will be able to see sensitive content in groups and chats without having restrictions. Well, that's how easy it is to show 18 plus content in Telegram. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.